Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to create an ebook cover, a professional ebook cover. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful video, and please support us by subscribing to this channel, share this video, like, and drop your comment on the comment section. Let's get into today's business. First, I'm going to set my page. I said we are creating an ebook cover, so we are going to set our page because definitely we are going to print it out. So let's set our page. To this three dot, then I press on image size. The width, I'm going to put it at, the width at 1105. Then the height will be 1600. Press OK. Now this is the size of our ebook. Now we start our design. Delete this. Now the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to add my background color. I'm going to be using this gradient I have here already. I'm going to be using this gradient. Actually edit it a bit. Use this to edit it a bit. Press OK. Now I'm okay with it like this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add text. Press OK. I'm adding my text. Edit text. Design. OK. Capital letter. Alright, I have my text. Now I'm going to change the font style. Say the font face or the font style. Change it. Look for something nice. I'm going to use this. Right. Reduce it a bit. Okay. Now I'm going to duplicate this text. Duplicate. Bring this one down. I'm going to reduce the opacity of this. The first text here, I'm going to reduce the opacity. Right. Make it 20. And I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to duplicate it again and break it down. Bring this one down first. I'm going to duplicate it again and bring it down here. I'll duplicate it and bring it down. Now take this one up here, duplicate it again and bring it down. Duplicate and bring it down. Duplicate. I'll keep doing it until now. What I'm trying to do here is I'm using text in my background. Sorry, text in my background. Duplicate. I'm using text in my background. That's what I'm trying to create here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to merge this. Let me use my ruler and see if I can get okay. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to merge the text I'm using in my background. I'm going to merge them. I'll do this, please. What I'll do here, I want to merge all the text. I'm going to merge this. Okay, I've succeeded in merging my text. Erasing, I can move them. So let's arrange it properly. I'll increase the height a bit, the size. Now I have my text in the background. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce the opacity more. I think this is okay. Enable effect shadow. Alright, I'll reduce it a bit. Now I think this is superb. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lock it and bring it down. Now we have this. What I'm going to do with this now, I want to increase the height of this text. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add shape. Going to add shape to this text. Yeah. Reduce the opacity. This stroke, I'm going to reduce it also. Press OK, and I'm going to merge. I'm going to merge it. Merge it and this. Merge. Okay, now I can grab my text from the middle. Alright. Okay, I'm going to add another text in this one a bit. Like pro. Okay. Change font style. Like I said, you can call it font face or font style. Let's make use of this. I don't like this. Let's change it. Let's see if I have something unique. Let's see this. Okay, I'm going to reduce it here and change the color to black. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my image and let me adjust this text. I'm going to bring my image from gallery. Going to bring my image. Let's look for something. We're going to use. Let's use this. Let me flip it. Press OK. We're using this. Next thing is I'm going to look for a place to place the author's name. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log this. Log this. Now the next thing I'm going to do, every book has an author name. You can decide to put it on top, at the top, or beneath. So I'm going to put my author's name at the top of the book. Let's add another text. Bring it here. Edit. Put it at the middle. I'm going to change the font style. Get something unique and also readable. Okay, let me use Rosemary. Go with Rosemary, then I'll change the color. Change this color to black. Yes, okay. Mind you, make sure when you are doing your design, you don't use so many colors and different font styles. And this is okay. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add something like icon. Go to image. It's okay. I'm going to use this. Let's reduce it. Bring it here. Okay, now I'm going to adjust it downward. Now this is how you design an ebook cover. Straight to the point, simple ebook cover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. See you in my next video.